piece number 18 comes to you on 2 sheets. So it looks like this. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So we just want to cut out around those pieces, all 6 of them that say item 18. And then just keep these pieces for later. And I'm not going to have you watch me cut these out. I am going to stop the video, cut them out, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay, this is the cutout pieces for item number 18. You should have 6 of them. And these are the steps in multiplying fractions. So when we do our lesson and we assemble these, you will be able to flip through them and have your steps there to follow. But before we do that, I want you to take this top piece, the blue piece, and just put that aside. We're not going to do anything to that. And let's start with the gray piece, the piece that says simplify. There is a line right here. I want you to fold on that line, okay? And I'll show you how to do that. I am incredibly shaky today, so forgive me. And my hands look horrible from the hand sanitizer. I've always been a hand washer, but with COVID, I'm using so much of that sanitizer. My hands are so dry, so I apologize for that too. Fold down that tab. And we're going to do that on all of them except the blue one. So let's fold the green, doesn't matter which order. And then when we get ready to assemble these, this is where we'll put the glue. You just put the glue on the back of that folded tab so that your book will still turn. And I'll show you what I mean. I have one that is put together and I'll show you how it's supposed to look. So once you fold them, again, you don't fold the blue one, that's your top piece. You will have these 6 pieces. I did them in different colors so that I could talk about the pieces and you would know which piece I'm talking about. So I will pause the video for just a second and then I'll come back and show you this piece assembled. Let me just show you how it will be assembled. We will glue the gray piece down completely when it's time. And then we'll start to stack the pieces. So you line up those folded parts and you will have your pieces in order so that your steps follow exactly the way they need to. And again, I'll go over this with you in the lesson. We have to do some writing on these before we're ready. But this is ultimately what we're going for. We'll stack those pieces up. So I'll show you a completed version and then we will get on to writing on these and putting this all together so that you have an example of how to multiply with fractions. Okay, this is my notebook and here is the finished product. This one is actually dividing fractions, but it works the same way. So you can see that I have glued this down. Actually, let me turn that so you can see it the right way. I have glued this down here at the gray, and these pieces fold up so that I can work through my steps and figure out what I need to do next. And I've given you an example as we go through. Notice that this gray piece is stuck down. It's the anchor piece. So all of the others just sort of pile up on there, and then you can quiz yourself on how to do this problem. You can do that example over and over as many times as you want.